Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another quick tutorial of how to make a cute little embellishment. I am working on some binder mail and I have a coffee theme, and I made these altered paper clips. They're just super cute. This is the back, but you really don't see that. Let me show you how it clips into the binder. Excuse my craft desk. I have been crafting for days, feels like, and everything's a mess. So I've made these little strips here and it clips into the binder right here, and then I've hot glued to reinforce just right here and then glued just right here as well. So I have like a little belly band going across the page for these clips to clip in. So we're going to lift it here and clip it just like this. And it's going to be just so cute. So let me just show you real quick how I put those together. They come together pretty quickly and don't use a whole lot of supplies. I've got some walnut stained distress ink and a cute little Stampin' Up! Coffee bean stamp. We've got some Prima flowers. These are just from some flowers I had in my stash. They're fairly old, but they're the Prima Essentials 2. And so we're going to take our walnut ink and our little stamp, and we're just going to randomly stamp all over these flowers until it's decorated the way that we see fit. This is a really fun way to theme your flowers. You can use any stamp that you have, and it just adds a little personalization, makes them a little custom, if you will, and matches to your collections or whatever you're working with. So I think that's good. Maybe one right here and one over there. Okay, so see how that just gives it a little extra flair there. So now we're done stamping, and the next part is to put them together. So I'm going to put these buttons in the center just like this. I'll show you. So hot glue this in the center, and then you can use some little bling if you want and put that in the center of the buttons, or you can use rosettes or tulle or ribbon or whatever you prefer. I like them just like this. This is one I've already put together, so you just assemble them, use your flower, put the button, put your little bling. You could use another little button, you could use lace, tulle, like I said, really anything goes. I just use some hot glue or whatever liquid glue you like. And then I've used this flower punch. This is just some thicker cardstock. You want it a little bit thicker, you might even want to use some chipboard if you have it. You can use round, you can use any shape that you have. These are to go behind the flower, just to add a little extra support when it's being clipped somewhere. So the way that I went about it is I set my big clip here. Make sure when you're doing these clips you pay attention to the way that they're going to clip on to whatever the person is supposed to clip it to. So you want it to be functional. So I wanted to make sure this little piece is on the top so that that could easily be slid behind the little bracket there. So here we are again. This little bracket piece is on the top. And then this is just some dimensional sticky tape. I'm going to cut a little piece and set this where I want it to go, with this right in the center there. And then the next step that I do is I just put some hot glue around here and stick that paper clip right in there. Excuse me while I reach over here for the glue gun. It is off camera here to my side. Alright, so I've got the glue on there, and then we're just going to stick the paper clip right down into the glue. Now it will get hot depending on how hot your glue gun is, so just be aware of that because this is metal. And the next piece, this is sticky, but I like to add a little extra glue. Again, feel free to use whatever glue you like to use when building your embellishments. Just remember this is some metal and you want it to stick really well. So I personally prefer using a glue stick, but again, you can use whatever So we'll just glue this piece here and we'll be all done. Alright, lots of glue there. Squish this down in there. You can curl these little petals out however you'd like. You can use whatever color paper you would like back here. Makes a really cute little clipped, little altered paper clip for your embellishment binders, or binder mail, or happy mail, random acts of kindness, whatever it is you're making. They are really fun. So there we have it. We have 2, and those are all set. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more. I will be showing more and doing a whole walkthrough of this binder mail as soon as I'm all done. Make sure you hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.